Aries. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Spirit, what are the messages for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? What are the messages for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Six of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Three of, oh, not three, the Empress, but the third card. And the number 3 caught my eye. So I think it is an important number for you, Aries. Knight of Swords, the World, the Hermit, Four of Swords, and Seven of Wands. Not a very pleasant energy, Aries. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are safe. You are going to be contacting somebody who has been a part of your past, somebody who is not very good for your mental health, but you're still going to be contacting them thinking they are a changed person. But seeing the placement of these cards, I don't think they have changed. They're still the sneaky, flaky person they were. And they're going to be really immature and they're going to be communicating with you at their convenience. Probably when you communicate with them, Aries, they may or may not they may or may not reciprocate in the same manner. King of Wands. They're definitely somebody who are very authoritative. Even though you are feeling all nurturing towards them, you are willing to give them a chance in your life. They want to, love them, care for them. They are not, they're very selective when it comes to whom they show their true emotions to. This could be someone you've worked with, or will be working with, or have worked with, or are working with. But this person really doesn't, they're very selfish basically. They don't care how you're feeling and what you're offering. For them, it is, if they don't feel like it, they won't do it. They're very sneaky, they're very flaky, so just beware. You might go to them, approach them with love and with a fresh new perspective, but they are the same, Aries. They're not changed. So beware. It could be an Aquarius person that you're dealing with. Could be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn also. You have the Sun card, you have the Star card. And you have the Eight of Cups, the card that is walking off, burning bridges, doesn't want to pay attention to things that do not serve them anymore. Also, they don't want to be in contact with people anymore. That's what this card suggests. So it could be you or the other person who doesn't want to be in contact with you, or you don't want to be in contact with them. But once upon a time, they brought in a lot of happiness in your life, Aries. And I think you want that. I think there is nobody in your life, and that is why you're being pushed to go back to that past person who, no matter how hurtful they were your wish fulfillment, or that's what you think, that's what you feel. And they're the kind of people who will hurt you and say it's for your own good, Aries, and I don't think you should be in that energy. But then at the end of the day, it's your call. It's how you take things, it's how you judge them, and it's your life, Aries. My cards and I, we can just advise you. I don't see a new love coming in, but all I see is this past person trying to sabotage your mental health. Wow. This this thing ended horribly. And if it hasn't ended yet, you go back to them, they try to put up a front, you guys, become close again, and it's going to end horribly, painfully, and then you will be forced to move on, actually. I will be drawing some extra oracle messages. These may or may not be related to the tarot directly. Take them however they resonate with you. Water. Drink more water and eat food with water in them, such as fresh fruits and vegetables. Having water enables the flow of energy, enables the flow of the feel good hormones that are the endorphins. So, have lots of water, keep yourself hydrated. Trust. You've got the trust card. Either you should trust or trust is a factor in your relationships. Adjustments are required. Show the world the real you, Aries. And one last card. Prosperity lies ahead. Keep doing what you're doing, following your dreams, and even if you do, um, you know, take a decision to go and pursue this past person, think it through, only then take the step, Aries. I hope this reading resonated with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.